Okay, we're back and we're looking at a point cloud. This is actually my house. And I just wanted to make a quick video on a point cloud only. And again, for you guys who've seen a lot of point clouds, you see stuff just sporadically everywhere. And this software does a really good job cleaning that up. And the focal point of this map model point cloud is just this house right here. This is my house. Um, so you capture a lot of stuff, which you can crop all that out. So your file type is not so large. You can crop all that out in Autodesk and other software. But I just wanted to give you an example of how clean that these point clouds come out. How many points there are. There's just a lot. And just to go over some exporting with you again. But these point clouds look so clean; they almost look like they're textured to a degree, and it's not. I mean, that's the point cloud. Um, Again, this there's a lot of points to make it this clean. Um, and just to show you like the exports, so you go to the point cloud, your export options are LAS, XYZ, and Autodesk proprietary RCP file types, and those are your exports, and you can change I can go from max points 10 million, 5 million, 2 million, 1 million, depending on what your needs are. I usually like to export max points, and then you can reduce as you would like, but I can also send you what you need also. Um, and just to show you, this is a point cloud. We'll look at the model. So one quick minute for it to load up. But here's the actual model, and as soon as it gets done loading, it almost looks like a photo. That's how clean it is. Yeah, look at that. I mean, that is really clean. I think that's, and I just can't fly the side of my house. I have to stay over the other houses in the area, and like imagine if this house was just out in the open where I could fly the sides of the house and get 10, 20 feet off the ground. I wasn't able to do that here, but still look how clean it turned out. So I'm going to call this short video point cloud and model, but just so you can see how nice that is and turned out. And honestly, I haven't seen too many models turn out like this, especially in a challenging environment where the drone is flying and I have to stay above these homes, obviously a safe distance above these homes, and capture that imagery and put it all together in the software. So again, thanks for watching. Jeff with MCW LLC. Thank you.